Hey everyone, welcome back to Endless Money Pits. This is a 2021 Honda CRF300L Rally, and today I'll show you how to install a set of Acerbis X-Factory Handguards. There are a few different brands that make high-quality, heavy-duty handguards, but the procedure will be very similar for all of them. Handguards like these don't just protect your hands when you're riding in tight areas, they also shield the hand levers and reinforce the handlebars for significantly more protection from impacts. Installation is a little tricky, but anyone could do it after watching this video, so let's get to it. Here are the tools that I used for this job. 12-inch hacksaw, impact driver, 5mm hex, 6mm hex, socket wrench, 10mm socket, 8mm socket, small flathead screwdriver, razor blade, one zip tie, and a magnetic bowl. The owner of the bike picked out these handguards and asked me to install them. They match the bike really well and seem like a quality product. The mounting kit comes with everything you need to attach these to the bars. It includes 2 sets of spacers that are different thicknesses, so make sure you separate the 2 sizes and only use the size that fits your handlebars. I'll show you how everything fits together now so it's easier to see. I'll start by removing the factory handguards. On the throttle side, I'll need to loosen these 2 8mm bolts so I can tilt the front brake lever down. This nut and bolts can be removed using a 10mm socket, but you have to remove the nut first. Now you can remove the factory handguard, but the front brake lever can fall out now too, so make sure not to drop it. Reinstall the nut and bolt with the spacer from the factory handguard, making sure not to over-tighten them. On the left side, we have to start by removing the mirror. To remove the factory mirrors, lift up on this rubber boot to expose the hardware underneath. This is reverse thread. This one's not. The nut on top has reverse threads, so it loosens by turning clockwise. The one below it has normal threads. Remove the mirror and its washer, and clear away any debris. The factory handguard on the left side has a bracket connected to this bolt, so we'll need to remove it completely. Remove the 10mm nut, washer, and handguard. The new handguards will sit like this, but we'll have to cut off the ends of the hand grips first. By the way, you can now support the channel by purchasing this awesome design available in a t-shirt, long sleeve, and a hoodie, and in a bunch of different colors as well. Check for a link in the description below. I used a razor blade and tried not to cut off too much. You can use a small flathead screwdriver to release the zip tie to make room for the handguard mount. Double check that you're using the right spacers for your handlebars, and don't forget to line up the dots on these pieces. Tighten the screws equally, but leave them loose for now. These pieces need to fit together as shown. Just get it hand tight and slide it into the bar end. Loosely install this mounting screw. As you press the handguard into the handlebar and tighten this screw, the inner portion will expand, holding the handguard in place. Now tighten this mounting screw. Adjust the handguard so that it's parallel with the ground and tighten the last 2 bolts. The throttle side has one extra step because the plastic throttle housing extends past the end of the handlebars, so I'll have to cut it off. I used a zip tie to hold the brake lever out of the way. You could have taken off a little bit less. But you also want to make sure to cut off enough so that it doesn't rub against the handguard. Installation from here on is the same as the other side, just make sure everything is secure before you start riding. I've already made a bunch of other videos with the CRF300, so check those out before you go. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more of the best DIY videos on the internet. And until next time, just keep throwing money at it.